In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PHP file on Hostinger effortlessly, following our easy guide for 2025. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out with web hosting, this process will be straightforward and quick. So, let's dive right in. We start this journey at the very beginning, heading over to Hostinger's website. Hostinger is a great choice for hosting because it combines affordability with a ton of features that make it easy to manage your website. Once you're there, the first thing you'll see is the option to log in. Click on the login button to proceed. If you haven't created an account already, you'll need to sign up to follow along, but don't worry. The sign up process is quick and easy. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard, often referred to as the H panel. This is where all the magic happens, and from here you can manage various aspects of your website or multiple websites if you host several. Now let's look at the left hand side menu, where you will see an option labeled Hosting. Clicking this option will take you to a page displaying all your hosting plans. If you have multiple websites hosted, make sure to select the one you're working on. Next up is the Manage button, which you'll find next to your hosting plan. Click on it to get to the management area of your hosting plan. Here you want to locate the Files section. The Files section is basically where your website's content is stored. So click on Files, then move on to select File Manager. Once inside the File Manager, you'll see an option labeled Access All Files of Premium Web Hosting. This basically gives you access to all the files related to your hosting plan. Click this and you will be taken to a section resembling a file explorer. This is where you'll upload your PHP file. In the File Explorer, you'll notice a button labeled Upload. Go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt you to choose the file you want to upload from your computer. Locate your PHP file, click on it and then confirm the upload. Make sure the file is in the correct folder where you want it to be, such as the public HTML folder, which is usually the root directory of your website. If your upload is successful, you should see your PHP file listed among the other files in the directory. And that's it, you've successfully uploaded your PHP file to Hostinger. Now you can navigate to your website's URL to see it live in action. By following these simple steps, you can easily upload files to Hostinger, making managing your website a breeze. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy hosting!